So I'm going to use a scissor jack to place this. What's the lower side? This is fairly strong. Let's see if it has enough to lift it up. As long as the outcome works, right? So here I am lifting it up. I don't see it bending too much. Oh. Let's keep on going. Okay, so we want to remove the wheel, because ultimately we're going to be fixing a flat tire. This wheel is a piece of junk tire. It's been through a lot. So this should be a cap of sort. It's either going to have a cotter pin or a clamp clip. But first you gotta get it off. It's supposed to be just a cap. Yeah, do it with your regular tools, get a hammer. Alright? Pop it. Alright. Looks like this model has a cotter pin. There it is. So we got my pliers. I like using old electrician pliers. A lot of things. Got the cutter on it. So I'm just taking out this cotter pin. Hopefully. I know there's easier ways of it. Come on, the home mechanics. Improvise, right? There you go. So, simply remove the cotter pin. Being careful not to hurt your valve stem. Very good. Yep. Simply remove the cotter pin. Remember, if your smaller hammer don't work, get a bigger hammer, right? Cotter pin removed. Washer removed. See that? Washer removed. And by all rights, your tire should come off. Right about now. It's fairly smooth. I'll probably clean that up. But here we go. Let's see what happens. Look at that. Come right off. So, anyway, yeah, I'll be cleaning this up. Let's clean this up. The axle. And probably put a little grease on it. Or something. Let's lube it up. So, ladies and gentlemen, that's how you remove your tire. Finally got air in the tire. Got it all aired up. And the way to put your wheel back on is just a reverse process. Okay, so you get everything out. Your axle is somewhat clean. I'm going to be adding grease later. But slide the wheel back on. So. And then here on this Huskee, you have this washer that goes that way, keeping the hole where your cotter pin's going to go free. You see these little gaps in this, and that's where the cotter pin will go. There you go. And then the cotter pin, we'll slip that through the holes. Use my pliers now. Just a tap. There she goes. Use a screwdriver to spread it. Watch your fingers, don't pinch your fingers. Just wiggling around, so I'll use my pliers to twist the cotter pin. Boom. Not going nowhere. Put the cap back on. Use your big hammer if you need to. Okay. Okay. There you go on that. I think this cap could go better, but it's on there. Let's see. Okay. And there it is. 1, 2, 3. Not exactly. Anyway, remember to subscribe. Find me on Patreon. And I would be doing the other side, but this one was such a pain in the neck, I don't got time. I got to cut the grass. So, see you next time. Thanks.